So this is one of the tutorials that was requested on my Insta story. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make the resin wine glass. You are going to be needing a small coaster mold and your wine glass, then your mica powder or pigments, your glitters, depending on the design that you're going for. But I'm going to be going for a simple design here, so we're just using the mica powder and the gold flakes. The first thing you want to do is mix your resin, then add your color or your glitters depending on the design that you're going for. So start by pouring a little bit resin in your mold just for your base. Avoid filling it too much before you put in your glass cup. So you can go in with your heat gun to get rid of any bubbles in your resin. You just don't want to dip in your cup into the mold because you can create a lot of bubbles and then maybe have a huge space or hole underneath it. So what I do is I stick the cup a little bit in the resin and then I put it in from an angle. Then I'm going in with the rest of my resin, still not filling my mold up, because if you're going to be adding any extra designs to this, you need a little bit more space for your clear resin to cover it up. You can go back in with your heat gun to get rid of bubbles. So now that I've done the first step, I'm going to leave this for like 6 to 7 hours for it to get sticky and then come back to apply my gold flakes. So this is 7 hours later and I'm going to be adding my gold flakes to create my design. So because the resin is still a bit sticky, the gold flakes can easily attach to stick to the resin, but you can also add a little bit of heat with your heat gun to make it easier. So now that I'm satisfied with my design, I'm going to go ahead to dome it with a clear resin. So this is 24 hours later and we are ready to demold the cup. So I decided to add more details to the side with a gold pen. What do you think? I think I prefer it without the gold sides. I think I just prefer the other one. But that's how you basically create your resin glass wine, or your resin wine glass. That's how you create your resin wine glass. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. If you do, please tag me and also let me know which other tutorials you would like to see. Bye.